How about a girl who's got a brain, who always speaks her mind? Nah. Hello everyone, my name is Eugene, and welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome. If you're new to this channel, welcome. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and then also turn on the notification bell. So, let's get into today's video. In today's video, we're gonna do an ABG makeup video. Instead of doing a normal ABG makeup tutorial, I'm gonna do a Mulan tutorial, but the ABG version. Some of you might be confused by the term ABG. Like, what does that mean? What is ABG? We have heard of ABC, like American Born Chinese. If you have never heard of the term ABG, well, ABG is an acronym for Asian Baby Girl, referring to Asian gangster girl who likes to hang out with Asian B-boys in parties all night long. And then usually they have like brown or light color hairs, or maybe blonde. I don't know. It's just not black, like not like this. So I failed already. Some of the common makeup aesthetics in ABG makeup is that they usually wear thick lashes, they have long nails. What we need to do now is that I'm gonna go change into those ABG outfit. Let's go. Step 1, changing revealing clothing. We're heading to a good start. Step 2, let's do the makeup. This is what I usually look like when I'm home and nobody's around. Look at this. If your girl doesn't look like this when she's at home, she's a liar. You should break up with her, bro. We're gonna keep this on, just a little bit pull back, and we're gonna do the makeup. Let's get down to business. First of all, we're gonna put on some sunscreen because I'm facing the direct sunlight right now to get the best lighting for this video. I don't know how other people put on their makeup or sunscreen, but I do it very violently because I want to smash those sunscreen into my skin. A lot of people say that I look like Mulan, but I'm not so sure, because when white people say that you look like Mulan, do you really look like Mulan though? Like, can you trust their word? So whenever I receive a comment that I look like Mulan from a white person, I'm like, okay, yeah, sure. Next, we're gonna put on foundation. But if I got a compliment from an Asian person, I'll be like, do I really look like Mulan? Maybe? Yeah, I think so. Asian people's words are more credible. Alright, we're done with the foundation on the face. Now we're gonna do foundation on the neck, so then it matches the tone. Have you seen one of those Korean makeup? It's like they put on foundations that is so white on their face, and then their face and their neck doesn't match at all because of the color differences. It's so huge. Like, bro. Perfect. So we have done with the sunscreen and then foundations. Next, we're gonna do eyeshadow. I'm gonna do a cut crease on my eyelid so it matches what the picture is. I don't like to do cut crease because my eyes, I'm not monolid. It's just that my eyelid is kind of hooded eyelid. It's very hard to do cut crease on it. If you do cut crease on it, it doesn't look as good as well. So, but still, we're gonna do it today. We're gonna use pink and then light brown or maybe brown on the eye, which I have them. We're gonna do pink first. We're gonna go for this pink. So what we are gonna do is that we use this pink to cover most area of the eyelid. Next, we're gonna put on concealer on the eyelid and on my spots here. We wanna cover those up. We're using this concealer. This is how you do cut crease, right? Right? then we're gonna use this brush to make like a beautiful half circle. Yeah, it looks good. And then we're gonna make those concealer looks natural by patting it, blend it, and it's gonna cover those red dots that I have on my face, those acne. Like after I use the concealer to cover those acne, I like to use the foundation to make those concealer looks natural with the skin color. Done! Now we're gonna put on, let me see. So it looks like Mulan got some of her deep brown eyeshadow on the lower side, the bottom of the eyelid, and just a little bit on the side as well. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna switch a different brush for better result. Maybe this one? Or that one. I don't know what's the difference. Like, I don't know the difference. I'll use both. I don't care about the shape, the price, as long as it's work. It looks like light brown. Looks like light brown, but we're gonna go for a deep brown. We're gonna go for punk, so that matches ABG gangster style. We're using a dark brown to try to blend it into the concealer side, but not fully go over to cover the whole concealer area. Let's do the left eye. We're gonna go at the bottom first, and then we're gonna draw the circle up like this. It looks good, but we're trying to make the end looks deeper than it should be. We're gonna put on more brown, deep brown, on the end of the eye to make it more pop. If you hear anything in the background for the noises, that's my AC. It's very hot. Alright, I think we look good. Next, we're gonna put on shiny blonde on the front of the eyes to make it shiny. We're gonna use the same brush. For better result, I think we should use Breakaway, the lighter one. Cause I like stars, I like signing. I like $1 million deals. I don't think the pink is enough. You can see a little bit. We're gonna add more to that. Yeah, I think we look good. Now that I've covered my acne, my eyeshadows, my face, we are gonna go for the brow. You want the exotic Asian thick brows. Eyebrows pink. Well, actually her eyebrows looks like mine, so it's not gonna be hard for me. Look, I can't control my tongue. This is why. Eyebrows on fleek. So we have done with our brows. Next step, we're gonna do important step, lashes. Lashes is the most important part in Asian baby girls makeup. I forgot the most important part. I should use concealer to cover my eye bags first. Bam! Done. Let's continue with the lashes. We're gonna curl the lashes first, and then after that we're gonna put on the fake lashes. Well, actually my normal lashes looks very long, so I don't need to put on lashes, but just for the result of the volume, look, it's super long. Before we put on the fake lashes, I want to do the eyeliner first. Some people like to do it after they put on the lashes, but I just like to do it before because I can see my eyelid better. I know that some people like to do it like this way, go from the eye to outside, but I like to do it backward. It works better for me. Boop. It doesn't look the same, but that's okay. The long-weighted lashes. Just in case I forget which one is on the right, which one is on the left, I'm gonna put it here. This one is on the right side. This one is on the left. I'm gonna use some special glue to make the eyelashes to stick on my eyes for as long as possible, stronger than your relationship. Oi. Yeah. Yeah. Hold on. It looks so good. I don't think the end is quite secure, but the front is pretty good. Let me add some glue to it. Get in, loser. We're gonna do the right eye. Yeah, right eye. This is how I make my fake lashes stick. Oh, it worked. Do I look like ABG now? I think I do. Next, we're gonna put on some cheek color. Next, we're gonna put on cheek color and some lip color and some shadow. We're gonna put on shadow first. From what I've seen from the picture, it looks like Mulan has deep pink on her cheek. I think we're gonna go with this one. It looks darker than the usual pink. I think I look like her. I'm gonna do one more step. That is, I'm gonna bake my face. If you don't understand what bake the face means, basically it's just that you put some setting powders on your face and then you're gonna apply it with a wet sponge and then let it sit for 10 minutes and you dust away some of those remaining powders. Okay, now I've finished with the setting powders. We're gonna let it sit for about 5 minutes or 10 minutes, probably 5 minutes. I don't have the time to wait. We're gonna do a little touch up. For example, like putting highlights under the brows and put on lipsticks. I like something looks like that. It looks like red, but it's actually nude, but with a little bit red in it. Now the lip is done, everything is done. Time to dust off some of the remaining setting powder. I didn't put a lot of setting powders on my face, so I don't think I can dust a lot of the setting powders out. See? It's not even there. I put not a lot of setting powders. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Wait, hold on. It's gonna look great. Hold on. This is how girls do it if they don't have a good hair. Just shuffle it and it's gonna look great. Yeah, I think this looks great. Pretty good. I just realized I wear the wrong outfit. I shouldn't get a black one, I should get a silver one. Hold on. Let me change. Hey yo, I'm back with a great tank top. And also, I brought something with me. Soju chuahe. I don't drink it in the Korean way. I drink like this. Thumbnail! How about a girl who's got a brain, who always speaks her mind? Nah. Do you like this look? If you do, hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, remember to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell. The next video is coming up soon. It might take some days for me to make it. Yes, I know I said I'm gonna post it 2 times a week, and I really want to keep that promise. Sometimes life happens. Mostly it's just because I live in downtown, and right next to my house there's a construction site. So it's very noisy, and I don't get a lot of quiet time to film a video like this, and I don't get a lot of sunlight because it's typhoon season, and this is the only spot that has sunlight, the best lighting in my house. Sorry about that. I will keep making videos for you guys, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye!